a temperature of 39. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 47 at Buffalo, 43 at Erie, Pennsylvania, and 27 at Chicago.
The winter weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula Inland, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Huron, and Lorain. Winter weather advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a winter weather advisory for snow and sleet, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Accumulations 4 to 6 inches south of Route 30 and 3 to 5 inches to the north. Timing: mixed rain, sleet, and snow will develop through midnight, changing to mostly snow later at night into Friday morning, then tapering off Friday evening. Winds mainly less than 15 miles per hour. Impacts: snow accumulation can make roads slick, requiring lower speeds and greater distances between vehicles while driving. Temperatures falling into the upper 20s to lower 30s tonight, then holding nearly steady Friday. Visibilities: a quarter mile or less at times. A winter weather advisory is normally issued for a variety of winter weather conditions such as light snow, blowing snow, sleet, freezing rain, and wind chills. While the weather will be significant, the word advisory implies that severe winter weather is not anticipated. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates. The extended forecast